Emily and I were craving seafood boil, so we went to Red Lobster, and they only had 2 options, and neither had just snow crab. So I ended up getting crab your way. This is the Biardi crab. I don't know why everything on my plate was so crispy. This is what I'm thinking when I'm saying I want seafood boils. I want options. Give me combos. Let me just get clusters. Let me just get shrimp. Let me just get crawfish. If I just want to get sides, let me have it. Don't forget to get yourself some Goliath cheesecakes. We only got 3 left, and we got those good Cinnabons. But anyway, I am more of a 2 cluster girl. I want the andouille sausage. I want corn. I want potatoes. I want eggs. I want sauce. So I'm going to give myself a double cluster of those leg splitters. Yeah, sugar. But they also have the shrimp seafood boils. You can get a dozen or 2. We have the combos. Oh my goodness, look at all those different options. We like options. So Red Lobster, give us some more options. If you could throw some eggs in there. And just look at this. Just copy my list, okay? That's what we want. Today exclusively at YesSugar.com.